This is our lecture 10, day 10, our Python full course. In this video we will learn one of the most important topics in Python. So this is the comparison operators in Python. I will explain everything about that with the clear and easy to understand examples so you can learn easily. So first we will open the file. So you open the folder. python.py. After that I will make a file in this folder. main.py. So I will show example on this file. Everything I'll write in this file so you can understand easily. So first I'm talking about the introduction of comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. They always return true or false. We use them in decision and logical expressions. List of comparison operators. So first is operator like this, and equal to x y. So the second is not equal to like this, not equal to like this x. Third is greater than, that is this x is equal to greater than y. Fourth is less than, x is equal to, x is less than y. And the fourth is greater than or equal to x y. And the fifth is less than or equal to. So now let's explain each one with the simple example, like real life example. Equal to, check if two values are same. For example, print print 10 is equal to 10. Print 5 is equal to 7. So equal to, its work, check if two values are same. So this is true, and this one false. So not equal to, if check if two values are different. For example, print 10 5. Print 6 6. So this is the true, and this is the false. because not equal to work, it's work if check two value are different, so that's why the first is different value, so that's why this is the true. So now moving the greater than, check if left value is greater than right value. For example, print 20 less than 10. Print 5 less than 9. So the first answer is true. Reason is that because it's less than 10, the other is false because it's not less than 9. So greater than this, I explain the greater than, I explain the, so now I explain the less than value. If check value less than value is check if left value is less than right value. For example, print 3 less than 8 and print 10 value less than 2. So the first is true because and third 2 is false. So this is the less than. Now I'm talking about the greater than or equal. Check two condition. First is the greater than, or second is the or equal to. So first I will print fourth, sorry, so the print this, so this one 5 greater than 5, 7, 3, 2, 4. So the first is true and the second is also true, and the fourth is false. So now I'm talking about the less than and less or equal. First is less than, other is the equal to. Send our print four less than 4, 2, 6, 3. So same here, first is the true, second is the true, and the third is false. So this is our lecture 10, day 10, and you're all about the comparison operators. Thank you so much for watching. Today we will learn comparison operators in Python with simple example. In the next class we will learn study logical operators. Don't forget to subscribe to learn teach institute. So institute, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.